Well, what do you think?
I'm actually shocked. No fishnets, no cyberpunk vibe.
Thought I'd try the shy, naive vibe. See if I can pull it off.
Yeah, good luck with that. I kind of like this jacket.
Ooh, I love it. It's like rebellious yet classy.
Yeah, it's nice.
Bet.
Bet?
Yeah, bet. Like totally or for sure.
Is this like new slang that you learned from your students?
Nothing wrong with keeping up with the times, Sarah.
Yeah, well, you're old, and you sound silly.
Whatever. I'm hungry. Sarah. Sarah!
What?
You gonna buy that jacket or what? I'm starving.
Yeah. Wouldn't want you to go more than an hour without some food, huh?
Me neither. Not bad for being in the middle of nowhere.
Price was right.
That's because, aside from the show, there's absolutely nothing to do in this nowhere town. Dibs on this room!
On the keys like Tony throwing subs, they get toasted about my bread like a hoagie. This beat ice cold, look how I ride this Zamboni. I feel like old Tony, good anywhere you throw me. She eat a Chobani, cause her body getting bony.
Why are we doing this again?
Maybe because it's fun, Sarah?
Okay, define fun. And since when do you like electronic music?
Okay, let me get this straight. So, we got this Airbnb, we have a really awesome concert to go to, and somehow you're still being a bummer? I mean, if you had somebody to go home to, maybe then I'd understand, but you don't.
It's a bit harsh. But why does it have to be one or the other? Am I not allowed to be at home alone and just enjoy it?
No, you're not. And listen, I'm not trying to be harsh, but fun can still be had at our age. We are only 30 after all.
33.
Age doesn't have to define us. Can you, please, just try to have an open mind for tonight?
Fine.
Thank you. Beautiful. Okay, ordering the ride now.
Okay.
What is that?
I don't know. Something the previous owner left in the jacket, I guess.
Read it.
It's time for sleep and my eyes want to close. But first I should drink some water, I suppose. Now that I'm quenched, my mom tucks me in, but it's after she leaves that the hiccups begin. Just hold your breath and close your eyes tight, because he can hear you out in the night. With every hiccup, the closer he'll be. If the sound doesn't stop, then neither will he. Please go away, hiccups. I don't want to die. He'll rip out my throat for only one reason why. He can't stand the sound, and he'll silence you too. For the hiccup man is real and he's coming for you.
What in the world? What kind of double nursery rhyme shit is that? I have to get a picture of this and send it to Kate. She loves cryptic stuff. Oh, ride's here.
Sweet. Well, I rest my case.
Case. You don't even have a case. You can't base your entire experience of going out just on one shitty concert.
Watch me.
You want some wine?
Bet.
Such a bitch.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Here's to actually enjoying the rest of the evening.
You getting any service out here?
No.
That's weird. I definitely had some when I ordered the ride. I'm gonna go put some pajamas on. You coming?
No, I'm comfy.
Okay. Sarah, come here. What? Come here. It looks like there's somebody outside. Look.
I don't see anything.
You don't see that? It looks like a person right there.
Not really. It could be anything. A tree stump or something.
Sarah, come here!
Beth, please.
Now!
Right. What?
Do you not see that? It's getting closer, look.
What?
Wait.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know, but it happened twice.
What happened twice?
It got closer when you hiccuped. It's the Hiccup Man. It's from the poem.
Don't talk crazy.
You literally just saw what happened. How is this possible?
I don't know.
It's getting closer, Sarah. You have to stop hiccuping.
Oh, no problem. I'll just stop. I can't help it, Beth.
Oh my god. I literally can't get anything. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, we've got to figure out how to get you to stop hiccuping.
You're freaking me out, Beth.
Yeah, well, you saw that thing get closer when you hiccuped, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I did too. 3 times now. Do you want it to get any closer?
No.
Good. Then let's get that shit to stop right now. Okay. What are some ways to get rid of the hiccups?
Holding your breath?
Yes, holding your breath. Awesome. Okay, so hold your breath as long as you can.
Okay.
Okay. Keep holding. Shit. Okay. What else? Water? Water, yeah. You need to drink water.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait! You need to drink it upside down. I've got one more idea. Eat this.
Why?
Because my mom always said to get rid of hiccups, you just need to have a spoonful of sugar.
That's stupid.
Eat the goddamn sugar, Sarah. It's inside. Please tell me they're gone. What happened?
I think he scared the hiccups out of me.